Hey everybody, I'm getting ready to make a side dish for Becca to take to her potluck tonight. It's super easy. It's something I learned how to make a long time ago from one of my really great friends at Walmart many years ago, and it is spaghetti salad. So this is super easy, super quick, and it's great for a hot summer day. So I am making a double batch. I've got almost 2 pounds of spaghetti, and then I'm gonna add some very thinly sliced red onion. It's about half an onion there. And then I've got, this is the secret, it's McCormick's Salad Supreme seasoning. I always keep a bunch of this on hand, and it takes more than you think. You want probably 4 tablespoons for a pound of spaghetti. And then the other one I always use is Wishbone Italian, and I get the Zesty Robusto or Zesty. And I'm gonna put half the jar in first and stir it up and see where we're at. I broke the spaghetti in half as I was cooking it, so it's not huge pieces. But you want it coated with the sauce and quite a bit of the seasoning. And like I said, if you're doing 1 pound of pasta, you're gonna want 4 tablespoons of the seasoning. And this is 2 pounds, so I'm probably gonna need some more because it doesn't look like, you want it to change color a little bit. And you wanna see onion all the way through it because those onions, the red onions, I think that gives it just what it needs. And you want them really thinly sliced. And I know we'll probably get somebody complaining, saying this was worthless and not really a recipe, but oh, when you try it, you're gonna say, oh my goodness, this is so good. It always goes really well at a potluck. Everybody eats it up. At church. Sometimes I use the rotini noodles, but the first time I tried it, my friend Fred made it with spaghetti, and that's how the first time I tried the salad. So I'm gonna taste it just to see if I got dressing on everything and if the seasoning, I think it's gonna need more seasoning too. The longer it sits in the fridge, the better it's gonna get. Oh goodness, brings me back. Although I do make it at least 2 or 3 times this summer for different. I usually do it when I'm making it for like a church gathering or something, because I would sit and eat the whole bowl probably. Not putting, I might put a little bit more onion in there because I'm not seeing the onions anymore. And the longer it sits in the fridge, the better it gets. It's even better the second day. It's one of those dishes. Not a whole bunch more, but I am going to put a little bit more in there. And I sliced them super thin on the mandolin. And you don't want too much in there, and people who don't like onions can pull them out. The salad dressing was just about the right amount. I'm not gonna add any more of that, but it did need some more seasoning. You don't need to add salt or anything because that's all in that Salad Supreme. But you want it good and mixed up so you get it on everything. One more. Since I'm making this for other people, I'm going to use another fork. Like I said, I could sit and eat the whole bowl. So if Becca doesn't, if they don't eat it and brings it home, that's fine with me. Make sure you cook the noodles al dente. You do not want to overcook them because you don't want them mushy. You want to have a little bite. I'm going to call it good. I'll try it one more time before she goes to work. See if it needs some more salad dressing, but it took a little over half, almost 3/4 of the jar of salad dressing. But otherwise, this is good to go. Great summer thing. Pair it with one of Tim's barbecue recipes or my smash burgers. It would be great. Hope you guys are enjoying our channel. I hope you watch, share, like, subscribe, all those good things, and keep this channel going. And I will see you next time. See ya.